Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you restore WhatsApp chat messages on Android. So at first, just go to WhatsApp. Now just click on the top right three dot icon. After that, just click on the last option, settings. Now into the settings, just click on the fourth option, chats. Here you can see the second last option, chat backup. Click on this. Now just click on the last option, include videos, make it on. Also the second last one, make it on. The third last one, Google account, click on it and choose an account to restore. After that, just click on the fourth last option, backup to Google Drive. Click on the middle option, daily. Now just click on the backup option here, the green one. You may need to hold for a few seconds. After that, I'm showing you the WhatsApp and I'm clearing my all data, and I'm going to the WhatsApp again. And logging in again. So after WhatsApp verification, here you can see it is looking for backups, and just clicking on the restore button, my WhatsApp data will be restored. So guys, this is how can you restore WhatsApp backup messages. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.